Hi guys, we have cauliflower, the biggest, the heaviest, 8 inches. You see, from here to here, it's 8 inches. And I measure it around the circle like this. It is 27 inches. I don't even fit in this strainer. So I will need a bigger strainer. And guess what? This is only $10 Hong Kong. Dalawang dangkal ko siya. It was funny because when I bought it, the wife did not agree for the $10 and the husband was given $10 for me. So I quickly accepted it and paid, and then I took off, and then they were arguing like she wanted more than $10, and he said I already gave it, and they're like arguing in Chinese, and I was like, oh, I have to run before they change the amount. Yes, say it's really 10. This is not for sale, or this is not like bargain. It's really just arrived from the box. I think the guy was not ready yet to sell, but I was asking how much, and he gave $10, and I have to grab it right away. And the wife was like, why $10? I was like, oh, I have to go.